In this moment of stillness, we humbly gather our thoughts and hearts. We seek your guidance, wisdom, and grace to navigate the challenges that lie ahead. Grant us the strength to face adversity with resilience and the compassion to support one another in times of need. May we find solace in moments of uncertainty and courage to embrace change. We express gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon us, acknowledging the beauty of life and the interconnectedness of all beings. May love and kindness prevail in our actions, fostering a world of understanding and harmony. Grant healing to those in pain, comfort to those grieving, and hope to those facing despair. May our collective efforts contribute to a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. As we conclude this prayer, let it be a reminder of our shared humanity, our responsibility to care for the earth, and our commitment to living with compassion and purpose. Amen.